Hey friends, today is a beautiful day, so let's fire up the grill to make one of the most boldest and flavorful dishes out there. Jerk chicken, spicy, smoky, and packed with island vibes. Let's get into it. We start with a blend of fresh ingredients: scallions, thyme, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, browning, brown sugar, allspice, nutmeg, and a squeeze of lime, maybe two. And I added some oil as well. This marinade is the soul of jerk. Blend it all together until smooth. Pour it over your chicken, but make sure every piece is coated. I am adding some Spice Jamaica all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm going to pour my marinade over my chicken. So massage that marinade and that spice all over the chicken. Make sure you get into the crevices and corners. Now my grill is at 350, so I'm going to add my meat to my grill, and then I am going to cover it until it's charred on both sides. Now it's time to check on our chicken. So we are going to flip them over now that one side is charred very well. And making this dish in my household is a team effort. So I season the meat. First, my husband comes home with the meat, cleaned it up, he cuts it up, scores the meat, and then I season it, and then he cooks it on the grill. So, team effort. Then you don't know, we have to add some red stripe to the grill, right? So we're adding the red stripe to the chicken. That's gonna keep it real moist and give it a nice bold flavor. We have covered the lid just to trap some of that smokiness inside. That's going to give that chicken the real smoky flavor you're looking for. And we have a few pieces that were done, and that's what it looks like. So we're going to get ready to serve it up. Just look at that color. Deep, rich, spicy, and that, my friends, have been properly done. Serve it up with some festival or some hard dough bread, which is my favorite, maybe some rice and peas. And if you can smell this through your screen, I know your mouth is watering. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more bold recipes from my kitchen to yours.